Algebraic expressions and its types. Algebra is a generalized arithmetic. An algebraic expression is a combination of numbers, literals like A, B, and C, and arithmetical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. One or more signs, plus or minus, separate an expression into several parts. In the given expression, 3pq is separated from 4p by a plus sign, and from 2q with a minus sign. Each part is called a term of the expression. Thus we have three terms in the given expression, namely 4p, 3pq, and 2q. Various types of algebraic expressions. Depending on the number of terms an algebraic expression contains, it is divided into four types of expressions, namely monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Monomial. An algebraic expression consisting of only one term is called a monomial. For example, 5a minus 4ab minus 5 are all monomials. Binomial. An algebraic expression consisting of two terms is called a binomial. For example, the expression 2x minus 5 has two terms, namely 2x and minus 5. It is thus a binomial expression. Trinomial. An algebraic expression consisting of three terms is called a trinomial. For example, the expression x square plus xy plus y square has three terms, namely x square, xy, and y square. Polynomial. An algebraic expression consisting of several terms is called a polynomial or a multinomial expression. For example, 2x plus 3p minus 4 into 3q minus 6q plus 4x by 2y. Note, binomials and trinomials are also polynomials. Degree of polynomials. The highest power of the variable occurring with a non-zero coefficient is called the degree of the polynomial. For example, x to the power of 4 plus x cube plus 2x plus 9 is a polynomial of degree 4. As 4 is the highest power to which any of the given terms have been raised. Consider another example, 9 plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus x to the power of 7. Clearly, the last term has the highest exponent. Thus, this is a polynomial of degree 7. Equal expressions. Now let us find out what equal expressions are. Two algebraic expressions are said to be equal when they have exactly the same terms irrespective of the order. For example, 3x square plus 4y square and 4y square plus 3x square are equal expressions. Factor. A factor is any one of two or more numbers and literals like p, q, r multiplied together. Consider a term of an expression 6xyz, which can be written as 6 into x into y into z. 6, xy, and z are called the factors of the term. 6 is called the numerical factor. X, y, and z are called the literal factors. Coefficients. Any one of the factors is called the coefficient of the product of the remaining factors. Consider the term 18xy squared z. The numerical coefficient of the term is equal to 18. The literal coefficients of the term are x, y square, and z. Note that the coefficient of x is 18y square z. The coefficient of y square is 18xz. The coefficient of z is 18xy square. Constant terms. A term of the expression consisting of no literal factors is called the constant term. For example, in the expression p minus 3q plus 9, the constant term is 9. Like and unlike terms. Like terms. The terms which have the same literal factors are called like or similar terms. For example, consider the terms 9pq and 4pq. We observe that they have the same literal factors p and q. Like terms differ only in their numerical coefficients. Unlike terms. The terms which do not have the same literal factors are called unlike or dissimilar terms. For example, consider the terms 13p squared qr and 5pqr squared. We observe that the literal factors of 13p square qr are p square, q and r, and the literal factors of 5pqr square are p, q and r square. Thus we find that the literal factors of these terms are not the same. Unlike terms have different literal factors and may or may not have the same numerical coefficients. 3a, 4p, 6a cube, 3p cube, 4pq are all unlike terms.